What if the reason she ignores you has nothing to do with your looks, money, or status? What if one invisible shift in your energy could make her suddenly unable to stop thinking about you? Welcome back. Today, we're uncovering something most men spend years figuring out the hard way. How to attract a woman who seems completely uninterested, and the hidden psychological triggers that quietly flip her attention toward you in ways she can't even explain to herself. Let's get something straight first. When a woman seems cold, distant, or unbothered, most men assume rejection. But here's what female psychology actually tells us. Distance isn't always disinterest. Sometimes, she simply hasn't been given the right reason to look closer. And that reason? It starts entirely with you, not with her. So if you've ever stood near someone who made your heart race, yet felt completely invisible, stay with me. Because what you're about to learn doesn't involve tricks, manipulation, or desperation. It's about becoming someone whose presence alone creates a quiet pull she can't explain. Let's begin with something deceptively powerful. Your gas. Not a nervous glance. Not an awkward stare. We're talking about a grounded, intentional look that communicates something words never could. Here's a little-known psychological detail. Focusing softly on a person's left eye during conversation actually activates deeper emotional processing in their brain. It triggers warmth, trust, and subconscious connection faster than any opening line ever could. Think of it this way. Your eyes are a mirror. When she looks into calm, confident eyes that say "I see you completely," her nervous system responds before her mind catches up. That's not magic. That's neuroscience working in your favor. Now let's talk about something most dating advice completely ignores. Your scent. The human brain stores scent-based memories longer and more emotionally than almost any other sense. When you wear a fragrance that fits your personality, you're not just smelling good. You're planting a memory. Every time she catches that scent again, consciously or not, she thinks of you. If your personality is calm and steady, go for something earthy, like sandalwood or cedar. If you carry more mystery and intensity, dark amber or spiced citrus works like a silent signature. You become recognizable before you even speak. That's invisible magnetism. Next, let's address the thing quietly destroying most men's attractiveness. Nervous energy. When anxiety controls your body, she feels it. Women are extraordinarily sensitive to emotional signals, far more than most men realize. A tense jaw, rushed words, restless hands, these aren't invisible. They communicate insecurity louder than anything you say. The solution isn't fake confidence. It's real calm. Natural approaches like L-theanine found in green tea, adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, or simply improving sleep quality through proper magnesium intake all lower cortisol, your stress hormone, and help you show up grounded and present. And here's something beautifully simple. Before meeting her, spend even 10 minutes with someone who genuinely loves you. A friend, a family member, anyone who reminds you of your worth. That emotional reset is subtle but powerful. She'll feel the difference in your presence without understanding why. Now, where you take her matters more than you think. Forget the standard dinner reservation. Here's the psychology behind unforgettable dates. When two people experience something emotionally stimulating together, an escape room, live music in an unexpected venue, a spontaneous late-night drive, the brain naturally attributes those excited feelings to the person they're with. Scientists call this misattribution of arousal. Her pulse quickens. Her senses sharpen. And standing right there, creating that experience, is you. You haven't just planned a date. You've written yourself into a memory she'll replay. While you're out together, watch how you treat strangers. The waiter. The parking attendant. The random person asking for directions. Women pay careful attention to this, almost instinctively. How a man treats people who can do nothing for him reveals his actual character. Move through the world with quiet respect and genuine warmth toward others, not to perform for her, but because it's simply who you are. She'll notice. She won't be able to help it. Trustworthiness wrapped in calm charisma is one of the most deeply attractive combinations in female psychology. When the bill arrives, here's a move rooted entirely in understated confidence. Don't make it a moment. Don't announce it. If she steps away briefly, handle it quietly and completely. No dramatic gestures. No fishing for gratitude. Just calm, decisive action. When she returns and discovers it's already done, something shifts internally for her. She registers that you're someone who takes initiative without requiring applause. That you give without needing acknowledgement. That's emotional maturity. And emotional maturity paired with confident ease? That combination is deeply, quietly irresistible to women. As the evening ends, resist every urge to rush toward a physical close. It is the deeper truth about attraction. Pressure kills it. Mystery builds it. The man who leaves her slightly curious, who doesn't reveal everything, who holds a little back, becomes the man she keeps thinking about later. Your goal isn't to impress her in a single night. Your goal is to linger in her mind after you're gone. Real attraction isn't loud. It doesn't announce itself. It grows quietly in the space between moments, in the warmth she felt, the curiosity you sparked, and the safety she sensed near you. Women aren't just drawn to handsome faces or impressive resumes. They're drawn to energy. To presence. To the man who walks into a room and doesn't need it to validate him. So the next time you see her and feel that familiar doubt creeping in, replace it with this single thought. She doesn't fully know who I am yet, but she's about to get a glimpse. Don't chassis. Don't shrink. Don't try to convince. Simply become so grounded, so genuinely interesting, so emotionally present that walking away from you feels like leaving something unfinished. That's the real secret female psychology keeps pointing back to. Women don't fall for effort. They fall for energy. And energy, unlike looks or money, is something every man can develop, refine, and own completely. So stand tall. Breathe slowly. Smile like you already know something good is coming. And trust that calm, centered, self-assured men don't get ignored forever. They get remembered. If this gave you a new perspective, show it some love, subscribe for more real insights, and drop the word asterisco gravity in the comments if this one hit differently for you.